You can't blame gravity for falling in love. Hello mga Mars! We are going to feature a grapeseed flowering plants, also known as cannula or Brassica napos. Rapeseed is a major oilseed crop grown for food and industrial uses, including edible oil and biodiesel. The plant is characterized by its bright yellow flowers. It is a versatile crop with every part being useful, from the seeds for oil to the waste for animal feed. Brassica rapa is a related species that includes turnips, bok choy, and napa cabbage.